Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a video on how to cover up your dark spots and acne. This video was requested by you guys, so there it is. So I started off with my Pro Conceal. This is a color corrector that really helps for your dark spots and acne. So I'm just applying that in all my dark spots. This video was perfect at this time because I did have some breakouts, and it really did help for this video to show you how I can cover up my acne with the steps that I'm going to show you. So now I'm just going to tap it onto my skin, make it more even. As you can see, I'm not rubbing it throughout my entire face, just where I applied it. So now I'm going to use my Pro Concealer. I'm going to put this on top of the corrector. Now this helps it to just camouflage the red color that you do see. Just applying that in all the spots. Now I'm going to blend it out again using my fingers, or rather my finger. Again, I'm just applying it and evening it out wherever I place the corrector and not my entire face. So now I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just blending all together. I'm just doing it in tapping motions and not dragging it too hard. Now I'm using my foundation. This is my Maybelline foundation, and I'm using my foundation brush to apply it. I will put my foundation shade in my comment section, and down below I will put my shade color. Now I'm using my concealer again. This is the Revlon Color Stay Concealer, and I'm just applying it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, my forehead, and below my lips. Now the reason for this is to brighten up the spots where I've applied it. Just going to blend it out with my concealer brush. You can take your time with this to brighten up those areas. Now once again, I'm using my beauty blender to blend it all out and make it nice and even. Again, I'm not dragging this concealer throughout my entire face. It's just where I've applied it. That was the Revlon Color Stay concealer. I will again put the shade. Now I'm using my translucent powder and applying it wherever I've applied my concealer. This step is called baking. I really like to use a translucent powder instead of a banana powder. I feel it works better for me, but you can use whichever one works for you. So I like my powder to set a bit. Now I'm using my contour, my cream contour, and I'm just applying it in the places where I want my face to have more dimension. Contour my nose. This step is really optional. Now I'm just blending it all out. I'm not dragging it too much. Just going to bake underneath my contour. So I'm just using that shade of powder contour and I'm applying it on top of my cream contour. Very lightly. I'm just rubbing off my translucent that was setting. Now once all of that steps are done, I'm just going to use my beauty blender and smooth it all out. so it looks a bit more natural. I'm using the same contour, powder contour, that I used to contour my face. I'm just applying it as eyeshadow today. I'm using my highlighter. It's a powder highlighter. And my highlight brush. So now it's time for some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline mascara. I will put the details down below in the description box. So now it's time for lips. I'm just lining my lips with this maroon. I really don't know the shade color. It's a very old pencil that I'm using, but it's a maroon shade. Then I'm going in with my nude L.A Girl pencil, and I'm just applying that in the middle of my lip. So now I'm using my Revlon nude lipstick in the shade 050. This color is so beautiful. Lastly, I'm going to apply my setting spray. And there we have it, guys. This is how you cover up your acne. As you can see, there's no filters. That's exactly how it looks. You can't really see my marks. It did cover up all my dark spots and my pimples. So this tutorial is really helpful if you're having a bad week with breakouts and you need to cover it up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. If you're new here, turn your post notifications on so you'll be alert every single time I post a brand new video. Love you.